Now I got this feeling that haunts me, as real as the blood running through my veins. Now you're living right here inside me, and I'm just trying to cope with the things you say. Even if the curtain drops and the daydream stops, we might just give it one more shot, or just end it on the spot. Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 I was turning blind with emotion. I wanted you so bad it was hard to breathe. You found me in my darkest moment. You got inside my head, now you just won't leave. Even if the curtain drops and the daydream stops, we might just give it one more shot. Tell me, should we board the flight? Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 We can't be something or fall into nothing. I know I'm decided, but it's up to you. Different directions, different connections. I am going nowhere, but it's up to you. Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 What are we waiting for?
The flowers on your windowsill are dying slowly, but I still would've bought you more if I still had a key. I never thought that we'd someday both pack our bags, go our own way. Now the thought of you alone is killing me. And all of the shit I said, well, I didn't mean it. Caught in the waves I sunk, and now I've got a hole inside my heart. It's slowly tearing me apart. Stuck in my head, I want you back, I want you back, I want you. I miss the stupid things we do, miss dancing in the rain with you. Stuck in my head, I want you back, I want you back, I want you. Forget my name, but if we're being real, we're both to blame. Couldn't take another shot of misery. Go tell your dad he made my day when we took our finished boat last May. Cause I guess we won't be speaking much again. And all of the shit I said, well, I didn't mean it. Caught in the waves I sunk, and now I've got a hole inside my heart. It's slowly tearing me apart. Stuck in my head, I want you back, I want you back, I want you. I miss the stupid things we do, miss dancing in the rain with you. Stuck in my head, I want back, I want you. Polaroids we took from the days when we were both in love. We looked much happier, much happier. Going through the Polaroids we took from the days when we were both in love. We looked much happier. Now can we be happier? No, no. I've got a hole inside my heart, it's slowly tearing me apart. Stuck in my head, I want you back, I want you back. Slowly tearing me apart, stuck in my head, I want you back. Stood under the city lights, I see you just like it's the very first time. My heart is racing and I don't know why. Our fortress beneath the sheets, I hold you just like it's our very last night. Can't help but feeling like we're out of time. I don't wanna leave, but you know that I have to. I don't wanna speak, cause I know my words won't do. I'm hurting like hell, cause you know that I want you, I want you. Don't wanna leave you, I don't wanna leave, but you know that I have to. I don't wanna speak, cause I know my words won't do. I'm hurting like hell, cause you know that I want you, I want you. Don't wanna leave you. Morning light creeps down the walls and our clothes are scattered all over the floor. Jumpers of mine I didn't know you wore. A war zone inside my head every time I start walking towards your front door. Cause I don't really wanna go no more. No, I don't wanna leave, but you know that I have to. I don't wanna speak, cause I know my words won't do. I'm hurting like hell, cause you know that I want you, I want you.